Welcome to you in the InDesign course. My name is Muhammad Abdurrahman. I am an instructional designer and web designer, and I have an experience for 10 years in the market. I am also Adobe certified expert and instructor. I'm going here in this course to teach you how to use InDesign CC 2018. This course you're going to learn how to use InDesign for creating multi-page documents like brochures, like magazines, like newspapers, like electronic books. So what you are going to learn here inside the InDesign will help you to create a document ready for printing and even ready for a digital publishing. Inside the InDesign you will be able to create the high quality document which is can be used for regular books or newspapers for printing, or even you can use it as an electronic books or PDF also. So you can use it for creating your company portfolio, your company magazine, or your own CV or portfolio. This can be easily created inside the InDesign. Why you need to learn InDesign instead of any other designing programs? The idea behind InDesign, it's a program designed for managing pages, and when you come to managing pages, it means that you can simply manage 100 of pages in just a single idea. So inside the InDesign you can find something called a master pages, which is in master pages you can control a number of pages like 100 or 1000 of pages in only one page. And this means that when you apply the design for this single master page, it will be applied to all of the pages, which is this concept it's not found in any other designing programs like the Corel or the InDesign the Illustrator or Photoshop. Inside the InDesign as well you can find here the table of content. So table of content can be created easily with just a small clicks. You can create the table of content automatically, and it will be updated automatically once you update the contents. You can create a table, you can create a hyperlinks, you can create animations and interactivity like a formats. So a lot of things here about documents you can do it inside the InDesign, which is not applicable inside the Illustrator or Photoshop or any other designing program. So I would like to let you know that even if you're using the Illustrator or Photoshop, this will be an advantage, because simply you can use the vector artist inside the InDesign, and as well you can use the rastered or PSD files or any images inside the InDesign. So the final you can say here, if you're going to decide to design a document or magazine or a newsletters or something things like this, you just need to finish your images inside the Photoshop, the art works or vector artist inside Illustrator, and the final editing, it should be inside the InDesign. If you have any earlier versions like 2017 or 15, you can use it. Also earlier than CS5, you can still use it. CS5, CS4, you can use the InDesign because it has the same concept. But the idea that if you're going to use any versions earlier than CS5, that you will find a little bit extra tools here available in the recent versions, which is not available in the earlier. The course is designed for beginners, so you don't need to have any previous experience about Photoshop or Illustrator or anything else. You don't need to have any experience. But of course, if you have any previous background about designing or using Photoshop or Illustrator, will be helpful of course for you. I hope that you enjoyed the course. Thank you very much, and see you in the first lesson.